Are you looking for quality bidet attachment for your home toilet? Check out our top 5 picks for the best bidet attachments. From budget-friendly options to high-end models, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? So let's get started. List number: Arkeloo Bidet Attachment for Toilet. The Arkeloo Bidet Attachment features a unique design valve, which ensures the residual water is ejected more effectively. It is simple and easy to install, fits most standard 2-piece toilets, and comes with all the components you need to get your bidet up and running in minutes. The product doesn't require electricity or plumbing, so it's perfect for installing on older toilets that don't have an electrical outlet or water supply. The self-cleaning option sends out a high stream of water at the end nozzle and rinses away all the residual waste, such as pee, poo, dirt, and dead skin cells. Smooth turning the comfort control knob, make pressure adjustment easy, and give you ultimate control. This cleanser helps keep the bidet clean by not allowing any leftover residue to build up inside the nozzle and clog it up later on. List number: Handheld Bidet Sprayer Bidet Attachment for Toilet Warm Water. This bidet spray head is perfect for your family and can help you to clean up after yourself. Has a very unique design with a dual nozzle feature and comes with hot and cold water. Allows for intense cleaning of the toilet seat, bidet, and rim. The spray head is easy to install and use. A convenient seat cover makes it even more attractive. The bidet sprayer is made of high-quality plastic material that won't break easily, so you will have a more enjoyable experience. It's waterproof and easy to clean with warm water or cold water from any container. This handy sprayer is made of durable ABS material with a perfect fit for the toilet bowl and has a comfortable grip. The sprayer can be used for toilet cleaning, bath and shower cleaning, and much more. This bidet spray will work efficiently to keep your bathroom clean. Avoid any unpleasant situations by using this great bidet toilet sprayer. List number: Tushy Warm Water Spa Bidet Attachment. The Tushy Warm Water Spa Bidet Attachment replaces your existing toilet attachment. It features a warm water, self-cleaning bidet spray nozzle that washes your body after using the toilet. This attachment is great for those who have trouble reaching their sink, have limited mobility, or would like a more hygienic option. The Warm Water Spa Bidet Attachment connects easily to most standard toilets and can fit easily on almost any toilet with adjustable seat fasteners for a secure fit. Tushy Smart Spray technology automatically rinses before and after each use, allowing water to bypass your waste and effectively wash away mess. Self-cleaning nozzle also quickly retracts when not in use, preventing clogs. Ideal for owners of standard toilets with easy installation or ultra-fit seats. This set is compatible with most standard toilet seats and includes a 6-foot-long hot water connection, so you can reach your sink hookup easily. List number: Bidet Attachment for Toilet Seat. The bidet attachment for toilet seat is an attractive toilet attachment that works well with existing toilets. The bidet attachment features 2 nozzles for 2 spray modes, male and female, which are ideal for proper hygiene in your home. Rotate down for rear mode, strong water pressure, and up for female mode, relatively soft, weak water pressure. Use a more effective spray to clean yourself, thus avoiding the potential risks of various infections and keeping everyone clean after going to the toilet. Allows you to adjust water pressure to create an experience that blends comfort and ease of use. This bidet toilet seat is only 0.24 inches thin to keep your toilet seat level. The rim of the bidet attachment has been improved so that it fits perfectly into the toilet. The toilet bidet rotation controller will adjust the water pressure according to the rotation angle of the controller. List 5. Tushy 3.0 Warm Water Spa Bidet Attachment. The Tushy 3.0 is an easy-to-install bidet attachment that immerses you in a warm water spa bidet experience. The Smart Spray nozzle packs enough power to clean without frequently spraying from several feet away. This attachment fits most toilets with standard seat fasteners, including newer models like Kohler and American Standard toilets. Tushy's 3.0 Warm Water Spa Bidet Attachment is made to fit almost any toilet, allowing you to enjoy a more hygienic and comfortable experience whether you sit down or stand up. The self-cleaning Smart Spray nozzle was designed to better clean your body from head to toe, dispensing warm water as it sprays while lavishing glides soothe away sore spots and bumps. A retractable spray nozzle, energy-efficient heater, and easy install speeds the process of getting in touch with yourself.